The Hatchimals Alive. Pink and yellow. Easter eggs are an engaging and interactive toy that has captured the hearts of children worldwide. With product dimensions of 9.25 into 4.33 into 2.76 inches and an item weight of 10.2 ounces. This delightful toy provides a fun and educational experience for kids aged 3 years and up. Originating from China, this toy has garnered positive feedback, evidenced by its impressive bestsellers rank, reaching #52 in toys and games and #1 in doll playsets. The ASIN for this product is B0CD89RJ9G with the item model number 6071092, manufactured by Spin Master. A reputable name in the toy industry, the Hatchimals Alive pink and yellow Easter eggs were released on December 18, 2023. The toy has received an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 92 customer reviews, highlighting its popularity and appeal among children and parents. With its innovative design and interactive features, these Hatchimals Alive Easter eggs offer a unique and enchanting play experience.